for sale today is my 2001 Honda Shadow VLX 600 Custom. I picked up this bike back in the beginning of 2017 and it was my first bike. And I have to admit it was a wonderful bike to learn on. The 600 has enough power to where you can get up to speed in traffic and that's no problem, but it doesn't have so much power where you have to worry about accidentally pulling the front wheel up off the ground. When it got to fall of 2017, I came across bobbers and choppers and I instantly fell in love. I immediately grabbed my grinder, went out to the garage and got to work on basically creating what you see today. The front brakes and rear brakes have both been replaced. The front wheel bearings and rear wheel bearings have also been replaced. The front forks were rebuilt by Lexington Motorsports. The carb has been rejet because I have added the velocity stack and drilled out the baffles in the muffler to give it that straight pipe sound. Gives it a nice deep tone, and even for a 600 sounds pretty good. The chain has also been replaced and it has been re-geared front and rear for a little bit lower RPMs at highway speeds. The paint is one of my favorite colors, which is the Dodge Viper Snakeskin Green Pearl. The bike has a TJ Brutal Customs rear fender kit for the bobber and the single seat kit as well from them, covered in an alligator-ish type material. It's got a set of mini apes, and the clutch cables and accelerator cable have all been replaced. This bike has been an absolute blast to not only build but ride. It turns heads everywhere it goes, and if I take it to a Cars and Coffee event or anything like that, it's always got a lot of people that come up and give compliments on it with the way the color looks and all the paint scheme and everything like that. It's definitely something that will get you noticed, so if you're trying to lay low and roll incognito, this probably is not the bike for you. But if you like to be seen, you like to have people throwing up, thumbs up or, a peace sign to you as you're riding down the road, then this is the perfect bike for you.